We're looking at something called simple distillation, and it's used to separate solutions. Right, you can separate, in this case we're going to separate pure water from this solution. Right, so first of all what you do is, so this is the equipment, yeah. So our first step is to heat the solution. Right, when you've got a mixture in here, what's going to happen is the liquid with the lowest boiling point will start evaporating, so it'll start evaporating up here, and then it'll travel up this flask. This here, let me just label this red thing, that is the thermometer. That tells you what temperature is at thermometer. Right, that's your flask. Let's label that up, flask. That there is the condenser. You've got cold water going in, it goes up here and it comes out here. That's your condenser. It cools the gas down and condenses it. Condenser. That's just your beaker. And that's it, you got it. It's all there. Right, okay, so now what happens is you've heated it here. The second thing that happens is the liquid that we're interested in, or with the lowest boiling point, let me get this right, evaporates. Always get that evaporates wrong. I end up putting a U in there, but it evaporates with an O. It goes up here, up the flask, down the condenser. So this little black tube here is just connecting them two to stop the gas leaking out. It goes through the condenser, it cools down, and then what happens is it becomes little droplets, and these little droplets drop into here, and you end up with, what do you end up with? You end up with pure distilled water. Pure distilled water. So for example, this, our solution was salt plus water gave us salt solution, yeah. And we wanted to go back into separating those, but we were interested, really, what were we interested in? Getting the water back, and we've achieved that. This is simple distillation. Right, that's enough for this video actually.